I'm Diane Sawaya. I've been a lawyer for nearly 30 years, most of that time working with clients like you, injured and wondering where to turn for help. I'm very successful at helping clients not only get better, but get the compensation they deserve for the injuries they've suffered. I founded my firm 5 years ago with the goal of bringing a more personal, compassionate approach to injury law. I believe each client is unique, and each client deserves personal attention and services tailored exactly for their needs. After all, they call it personal injury for a reason. You're injured, and it's personal. My team and I can help you navigate the complex legal system and insurance system, and as a specialty firm, we're skilled at building your personal injury case for maximum settlement value, or going to trial if we have to. I know this can be a difficult time, but I can help guide you through the process, so you focus on getting better. It's my mission. Give me a call. Let me show you more about my mission.